Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is LFS Coach, and in this video we'll be doing a review of our week 5 analysis, and we do our analysis for week 6. So if you remember when we were doing our last week analysis, I said the market is still on a very strong uptrend, okay, and we are expecting the market to buy. So we have our first buying zone at 1859 and our second buying zone at 1832, but unfortunately the market actually, you know, moved to the upside as we predicted, even above the level we thought the market will reverse, and continues to move up. But the unfortunate thing is that the market did not come back to our entry. All right, so we'll just take this off. Okay, but we'll leave this, so that we have something to show that this week the market did not come back to our entry. So now currently let's see where the market will be heading to. Alright, so at this point I have a lot of buyers, right? So my first bias is I don't think gold is going to break this 2000 zone. I don't think so. Although the market is still in an uptrend, but I don't know why. I just think, right? I'm thinking right now that it's not going to break this 2000, right? And if it's going to break it, then we might not need to, enter any position for buy. You can see because of these three top right now that the market is forming. So that's why I just think the market might not break this 2000 zone, right? So the gold is expected to pull back a bit. So this is from a weekly time frame. Well, I would have preferred maybe we wait throughout this week to see what the market will do. Then next week we can follow the market, right? Just example of this, we have this massive rejection followed by a bearish engulfing. So following technical analysis from our candlestick pattern from higher time frame perspective, this is a downtrend, right? From a key level engulfing, then you sell. Key level engulfing, you sell. So like I said, I've mentioned that price action or this candlestick pattern, chart pattern works, more effectively on higher time frames. Okay, so we see the market rejecting from 2000, right? So we don't know where this downtrend is going to end, but for this week, so I'll just say let's establish the reason for our sell. So the first thing I mentioned is that I don't think it's going to break this 2000, and that's why I just feel the market is going down, right? So we have this low right here. So we have this high, we have higher high, but the market gave us a lower high right here. So if you trade candlestick pattern, this is head and shoulder pattern, right? So because this is head and shoulder, we have the neckline. If it's going to break the neckline, then we go short. Right, so this is the same thing I'm also hoping for, right? So because the market already gave us a lower high structure right here, so I'm thinking this market should sell more, right? So that's just the basis for me shorting the market right now, and I'll put the reason. So we have the left shoulder, we have the right shoulder. And we have the edge. So I trade market structure, okay, but this is also a chart pattern, right? And the reason is because the market is giving us a lower high right here. So I'm going in for this sell right now. I'm going for this sell right now back to 1719. Okay. So like I said, I want us to be very accountable week six. I want us to be very accountable this year. So we just follow through. These are week six analysis, and this is what we're expecting from the market. This is what I'm expecting. But I'm expecting this sell to continue, break all these levels and then push back. Right. So let's see from H4 if what we're doing is correct. I just feel this market is going to reverse, right? I just feel this market is going to reverse back to this support. Then it can do anything it wants to do. Okay. So don't forget, last week we also analyzed GBP I also said GBP is going to buy, and we have our buying zone around there 1.1192. Okay, but the market never comes back to our entry, so that has gone. So it got to this high that we have here. So I don't know if the market is probably going to reject here or not, but I'm not going to be doing anything on GBP at the moment. And another review, Euro CHF, let me go down to H4. So on Euro CHF, I also mentioned that this is going to sell to this target, and this is our selling zone if the price will be able to come here that week. So the market actually got to our target that week, but did not come back to our selling point, right? So when it moves to our selling point, did a little sell, then break out. But here, there's a change of structure here, so that's why the view is good. So we have this last high right here. This is the lower low. Okay, so the market moves to almost equal highs right here, give us another equal lows right here. Okay, but you see that this movement break this previous high that we have, that's giving us higher high structure, right? Then come back to give us higher low, and then boom, the market is going up. So that's how to trade market structure. I don't really trade this pair. I mentioned it that day. I just said we should play around it to see what will happen. So just to be able to see it clearly, this is what happened. If you want to pick this buy, you will have seen lower low structure. The market tries to give us higher high, but then it reverses back from this low. Remember, I said until the previous low is broken, you don't conclude it is an uptrend, right? So it comes back to give us equal lows. So the sign that this market is about to reverse started from here, because we have equal lows here. The market has been giving us lower low structure, but it fails to give us lower low here, then break our previous high that we have. So breaking this high, come back to do a retest, boom, it's a buy. Alright, so that's how I trade market structure. Okay, so that's just to give us an heads up about the analysis we did last week. Let's see what's happening on weekly time frame. From weekly time frame, is looking more as if this buy is still very much aggressive, very much aggressive. You can see how big, how massive the candle is, and look at this rejection here. So the market is still in a very strong down to uptrend. Um, if gold is going to close this week bearish, is just going down. If gold is able to close this week bearish, gold is coming down. For EU, we have a lot of rejection at the bottom here. Okay, coming from this support. So EU might still continue to be a buy for the week. Okay, so we are just going to dwell on what we are expecting on gold to play out and see what we can catch in the market. Okay, so that'll be all. I'm going to post this analysis for our week six, then I'm going to share it on our YouTube channel. Thank you for dropping by, guys. If you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to this channel And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for dropping by, guys. Cheers.